Welcome back to e-learning for Adobe Dreamweaver CS6. In this lesson, or in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to control the column width of a table. Unless you specify otherwise, empty table columns will divide the available space between them equally. But once you start adding content to the cells, all bets are off. The table seems to get a mind of its own and divvies up the space in a different way. It usually awards more space to columns that contain more data. Select the Content Section TH rule in the CSS Styles panel, and then click the New CSS rule. Delete the selector name and type this one. Content Section W100, then click OK. In the new value for the selector name, the W stands for width and 100 indicates the value 100 pixels. In the box category, enter 100 on the width field and then click OK. Controlling the width of a column is quite simple. Since the entire column must be the same width, you only have to apply a width specification to one cell. If cells in a column have conflicting specifications, typically the largest width wins. Let's apply a class to control the width of the date column. Insert the cursor into the first cell of the first row of the table. Select the TH tag selector. In the Property Inspector, choose W100 from the class menu. The first column resizes to a width of 100 pixels. The remaining columns automatically divvy up the available space. Column styling can also specify text alignment as well as width. Let's create a rule for the content in the cost column. Select the Content W in the CSS Style panel and click New CSS Rule. Delete any text in the selector name field and type content. Type content section .cost and click OK. Obviously, this rule is intended for the cost column, but don't add the width value to the name as you did before. That way, we can change the value in the future without worrying about changing the name as well. In the black category, choose center from the text align field. Choose in the black category, choose center, and in the box category, enter 75 pixels in the width, then click OK. Unlike with the previous example, to apply text alignment to the contents of a column, you must apply the class to every cell in the column. Click in the first cell of the cost column and drag down to the last cell of the column to select all the cells, or position the cursor over the top of the column and click using the black arrow to select the entire column at once. Choose .cost from the class menu in the Property Inspector. Choose the cost, and the cost column resizes to a width of 75 pixels and the text aligns to the center. Now, if you want to change only the cost column, you have the ability to do so. Save the files. Choose file and then save all. And that's it.